What's up, my good people? Today I wanna show you quick ways to audit your website and to see what is missing. So basically, we're going to do SEO audits to see the pages your website needs, see where you need to improve, and also, if we have time, we'll use a tool where you can compare website with other competitors. Without further ado, let's begin. Open your favorite browser. Mine is Chrome. Head to the search bar. Search for seochecks.org. Right, this is a free tool. See, you can see in the first page we have this section where you find out why your website isn't ranking. Let's enter a business, one business. For example, this is my website. If you want to search for audit for individual pages, you click here, scan pages. Then you select the page you want to scan or analyze. Let's choose one. Run a free scan. While you are waiting, you can see we have a mini game here up. I do enjoy this stuff. While waiting for this, it takes less than 1 minute. Another thing, if you don't want to audit for individual pages, you can scan for the whole website. But here we are going to scan for one side. You can see my metrics are here. This SEO tool is very important because it gives you all your website performance. You can see even speed and all others. More importantly, it gives suggestions on what you should do on your page. You can see it has given me some suggestions here, what my pages are missing, etc. This is very good for on-page SEO. You see these suggestions here, very rich content, very rich suggestion. That's what I'm missing. I need to rectify these. It has categorized them well. Of course, I deal in the field of web design, so you can see it's bringing relevant content here. And you can use this to improve your pages, to improve your impressions, and to rank on Google. Next, I'll show you this feature where you can compare your website with competitors. So you can search, you can type a keyword here where you want to search that keyword, how it is used in your website or the competitor site, and it gives you suggestions, the weak point of competitor's website and such. I'll give you the link in the description. So don't forget to subscribe, my guys, for more of this content. We're going to cover a lot of this content: SEO, technical SEO, on page, all that. The link is on the description, and let me hear your thoughts on this. Thank you.